seen these today at Harbor Freight. I thought they'd be a cool little EDC thing. I wouldn't carry one personally in my pocket or nothing, but maybe in my EDC bag. It comes with one of these bits, and it's all on the back there. You see how many in the store. Lose everything. Alright, we got them out. Kind of want to see how many bits you can hold back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits, so I would probably swap them out for like a T10, T8, T6. See how it's got a little pocket clip, so you can clip it on something. Yeah, I'd swap it out with the bits like I was saying, and I had to do maintenance on my multi-tool or pocket knife. I'd be able to do it on the go. It's probably just gonna spin in the pliers. Yep. Seem to be pretty good. Yeah, just figure out what bits you want. Put them in the bag. Go back to my little pouch and just ride right there. Easy access. Like I said, you gotta do some maintenance or something. It's right there. Would you carry it? Would you EDC this one, or just go spend more money on a better one? We'll give this one a shot and see how it works out, but let me know in the comments if you carry it. Thanks for watching.